Everyone, you don't know how excited I am about making this video because it means that I don't have to worry about being in all your classes anymore. We'll talk about that more in a second, but okay, so this is a video showing you how you will copy your own course, the master course over to your course, so I don't have to do it for you, and you don't have to add me to your class to do it for you. So pretend that this is your course shell. I'm teaching English 300 this semester, so pretend this is your course shell. Um, my suggestion before you start, make sure you go up to course admin. That's upper right hand corner. Over here on the left, course offering information. Two things. One, I always suggest that you retitle the course. The main things that I look for there is the course number, what term it is, and then your last name. And granted, that was really, I needed that desperately when I was in everybody else's courses, but I still ask that you do it. I think it's useful for your students. And then if for any reason you share your course with me so I can try to help you do something, it again helps because I have a lot of classes. The other thing is make sure the course is not active. Right now with a switch course active, meaning students can be in there. If you're fiddling around, you don't want them to be, so I'm taking that back off. Click save. Okay, so course not active. Now back to course admin up here on the right. What you'll be doing is down here under site resources, usually over on the right hand side, import, export, and copy components. The first thing you need to do is you need to identify what you're copying from. So search offering. This works to your advantage. They've all been titled basically the number and then the word master. So if you're teaching 102, you want 102 master. If you're teaching 308, you want 308 master. It'll search. To the best of my knowledge, so if for some reason it doesn't pop up, feel free to email me and I'll go in and check. You should all be added to the masters you're teaching with read and copy privileges. So click the course that you're going to copy from, add selected. Okay, so what you all are doing, you've actually got the easy way to copy. Right now, in most cases, you just want to copy everything. Um, 101, 102, and 307, you're good to go. Just copy everything, copy all components. Um, and 308, project slash module 3 isn't done. I still suggest you copy all components and then just make sure that module 3 is in draft mode. And when we're ready to change that up, I'll help you do that. Okay, so you're going to just click copy all components. I'm not going to do that because I don't want the 307 or 308 in my English 300 class. Once you've copied that over, things should change relatively quickly. You should, in general, without clicking on anything, you should get the new banner at the top with the colors. You should get a new menu here up at the top. If you come out to the home page, you should get the Macmillan Course Tool widget ready to click and get started. I sent out the instructions on how to mash that up yesterday. And folks, the instructions I sent out yesterday um, for the digital resources, even though it was kind of directed more to the 101, 102 folks, it's the same instructions for PTW. But I'll follow up with y'all again on that. So everything should click over. If for some reason, especially this menu, the banner and the menu at the top, don't click over, just go to course admin and go to home pages and navigation and themes and make sure the correct ones are selected. And again, if you have problems with anything, go to class list, add me as instructor, and then tell me to come in and I'll help you wander around. Things I like to do when I copy things over is I like to just quickly flip through everything. So in this case, again, remember 308. I'm going to make sure when I flip over that project 3 is in draft mode because I know that that's going to change. But 1 and 2 is ready to go. And then I usually like to just flip through and make sure things look like they copied correctly. The nice thing, the quick way for you to know that is things generally are numerical order with the due date, homework. Um, Same thing, process log, you should see that order. Grades, again, Should be a full grade book. And if for some reason something looks weird or wrong to you, just reach out to me. And again, it will make it easy if you share it in the class list so I can see. Um, but I think that is the major thing in terms of copying everything over. I will paste a video in the email that shows how to copy specific things over from the master if you don't want the entire thing. I'll make sure that's in the email that this video is also in. Thanks everyone. I appreciate all your hard work and I look forward to working with you this semester.